me just sliding into your screens for the new year. 2020 is here. I seriously can't believe we are in 2020. That sounds crazy, but happy new year. I am excited to put out my first video of the new year, and today's video is going to be all about my laundry room organization, and I'm going to take you along and show you how I get this bad boy organized. I hope it gives you guys some inspiration to get your new year started off on the right foot. So let's get into it. Alright, you guys know the drill. The first step is to take out all the crap from your space and make sure you have a fresh slate to work with. So I started by just removing all of the baskets and the bins, and we actually decided to take out the Billy bookcase we had in there originally and replace it with a big new one because it just worked better for this space. I needed more storage for my linens and towels, so that's exactly what we did. I will leave the Billy bookcase that we bought down below in the description box if you're interested. I had to enlist my cute, handsome hubby to uninstall the old Billy bookcase and put in the new one. I would suggest if you do have kids or little toddlers to make sure you secure any bookcase or dresser to the wall just in case so they don't get hurt. I opened up my cabinets to see what I had. Thankfully, I already had a lot of containers, so I didn't have to buy any more. And then everything was just a mess. Clothes on the floor, nothing had a true place, so I needed to get that changed ASAP. First thing I wanted to do is fold my towels and linen so I could get them put away. As you can tell, this space is so small, so I don't have much room to work with, but just by putting in this bigger bookcase now, I feel like I have so much more space. If you don't have a linen closet like myself, then this might be a good option for you. They're, like I said, really inexpensive and they hold so much stuff, so highly recommend. It's amazing how much junk we collect, and honestly, you don't even realize it until one day you're organizing. So this year, for my goal for 2020 is to be more mindful of what I'm putting into my house and get rid of things. I need to be more minimalistic. I think that's such a good habit to start for the new year. So keep me to it, you guys. That is my goal. So this part of the organization project is basically about sorting through everything that you own, taking inventory, making sure you're getting rid of doubles if you can, or things that you never reach for. I say if you haven't reached for it in at least 6 months, then get rid of it. I got these white wicker baskets from Hobby Lobby. They fit perfectly in my cabinet, so I thought they would be perfect to divide up and to put specific things in each basket. So I have one basket for crafts for Kenzie. I have another basket that's like a junk drawer essentially for all of our things. Once you get everything sorted, you can go ahead and put things back into your cabinets. I started by putting my cleaning rags, my rubber gloves for those projects that I hate doing around my house, like cleaning the toilet, stuff like that. I put them on their own shelf. I like that they're at eye level so I can see them. I wanted to put all of my cleaning products into one container. That way I feel like it's easier when I need to pull it down. I can see really clearly what I have. I like this clear bin a lot because I can see exactly what's in there. This I believe I got at the Container Store and it was under $10, so not too expensive. And it just fit perfectly in there. I can just reach for it whenever I need to clean. So for the bottom shelf, I put a basket that is all of my extras, so extra dryer sheets, I have extra laundry detergent, extra softener, things that I don't necessarily have to use every day. I put some air freshener, just certain things like that, and it works perfectly. Again, this basket fit perfect. It was from Big Lots and under, I think, $5. It was really cheap. I am excited to share with you guys these amazing laundry balls that I found at Trader Joe's for under $10. They have been working so well for our family. I love that they are cost effective. That way you're not continually buying dryer sheets. You can use these for so long, and I put essential oils on them every time I'm throwing some clothes into the dryer. You just toss one of these balls in and they make your clothes feel so soft and smell amazing. I personally love lavender essential oil, so I put about 10 drops. You can put as much as you want or as little. I like that it's customizable. Highly recommend these if you guys are looking for a new alternative to dryer sheets. So my first cabinet is organized and done. It feels so good to have this fresh, clean space. I will say to put the thing that you don't use the most at the very top, because that's the hardest place to reach. We put our extra toilet paper rolls up there, so whenever we do run out, we know exactly where to find them. So for my laundry detergent, I decided to use a beverage dispenser, and it has been so awesome, you guys. I highly recommend. It's just so easy and convenient for us. I leave it right on the shelves, so it's open and accessible all the time. My husband loves it, and this I got from IKEA for $19.99. This glass jar is from IKEA, and I got it for $5, and I use it to put my unstoppable beads. These smell amazing, you guys. If you haven't used them, highly, highly recommend. Moving on to the second cabinet, I put the 3 wicker baskets from Hobby Lobby, and I had some extra room to work with. So on the second shelf, I put extra lotions and soaps that I had. On the bottom shelf, I put garbage bags because that's what I reach for every single day. It's so convenient to just grab one and go. And my essential oils are right next to it because I also use those every day. And then the third basket is miscellaneous. It has things from duct tape to picture hanger things, nails, just random stuff. But I love that it all has a place. On the third shelf, I used the extra room for extra candles that I have. I do have more candles than this right now, but they are currently in my room, still in the Bath & Body Works bag, so I need to go get those and put them away. I can fit about 6 candles in this space, which is perfect for me. I don't need more than that, and it helps me not buy as many. So here is the after of the second cabinet. I love how fresh and clean this space looks. I just think it's going to work perfectly for our family. Everything's really accessible and easy to find. Here is an overview of the second cabinet. As you can tell, we have the extra toilet paper on the top. The second and third shelf have cleaning supplies, and then the bottom, of course, has our extra laundry supplies. Over on the Billy bookcase, I had some extra room to work with, so I took one of the wicker baskets from Hobby Lobby, filled that up with gift bags because I didn't really have a place for them, and it's easy, they fit perfectly, so I love how that worked out. Also, we decided to put extra paper towels on the shelf. We reach for these way too often, thanks to having a little toddler. And the linens and extra blankets for little Kenzie. I love how everything is easy to see and grab whenever I need it. Now that everything is organized and put into its place, I wanted to wipe up the floors, Swiffer them, also the tops of my washer and dryer. I feel like it's so dirty, so I did take a rag to that and cleaned it up. I also put this cute hook in the corner of our laundry room for our Swiffer and brooms. It just is so handy, you guys. And voila, that is it. I love how it turned out. It just feels so much better. I feel refreshed, and honestly, it just motivates me more to get those other areas tackled. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have stuck with me the whole time, I appreciate it so much. Seriously, I wish you the best year ever. Get those goals written down, and I hope you accomplish everything you're going after this year. And definitely subscribe if you want to see more motivational content. I'm going to be posting twice a week, and for the whole month of January, you will find lots of organization and motivational content to get you inspired and ready for this new year. So hit the bell notification if you haven't already. That way, every time I post a new video, you will be notified right away once it goes up. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Easy, want it badly, but I can get what I want. Too much pressure, too much pleasure, but not much to rely on.